take apart the compensator with the sensor. So you put a wrench on the top and on the bottom and untwist it. The top of the bottom will come off. And you can slide the whole thing out like such. So now you have the compensator out, which is all you need to do to be able to change the bottom. So that's step one. The thing to notice is when you unthread that, don't score this, don't grab there. What you're grabbing onto, as you can see, there's a flat on this top. That's what you're putting your wrench on. If you grab here, you won't be able to get it back in. So you're putting the wrench on this piece, and also on the bottom. You can see where I'm pointing? Right there. So that's what you're using to unthread the compensator. Okay, so here's how we're going to put the female quick connect onto the compensator. We've made a little tool here so that we can grab onto this onto the shaft under the spring and not mark it. So you'll have to devise something for that. So here's the procedure.
I'm going to slide down here.
Sure.
Going to put the heat gun to it.
So putting the heat on it really makes it a lot easier to get that fitting off. That's going to go off.
Well, there we go.
Okay, so that piece is off. And now we'll just thread on the other piece.
Well, first we're going to take and we're going to put some silicone.
Okay.
Some Loctite.
All right, so you put a little Loctite on the end.
Just a little Loctite.
Okay.
And just screw it on here. And there you go.
Tighten her up.
And then tighten it.
Tighten her up, and then unclamp it, and we're all set then as far as the conversion goes. And that is all there is to it.
There you go.